Okay, so sa last part ng discussion is yung step response naman ng RL circuit. Okay? So that, sagutan natin to, last three problems to. So yung formula niya ay ito naman. Okay? Hindi ko nakulayan, sorry. So it resembles to the voltage equation of a capacitor. So syempre kapag RL, current naman sa kanya, no? I infinity plus, so yun lang yung difference, no? Yung current naman, I infinity plus quantity, yung initial current minus final current times quantity e to the negative t over tau. Siyempre, kapag mag-solve tayo nito, tatandaan nyo yung initial current, final current, at saka yung time constant. Yung time constant, di ba, tandaan nyo, kukunin din natin dyan yung RTH. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, diretso na agad. Di ba? So, find I of t in the circuit of figure below for t greater than 0. Okay? Assume that the switch has been closed for a long time. Okay? Solution. Okay? Hinahanap natin yung I of t. Di ba ang I of t? I of infinity plus quantity I of 0 minus I of infinity, no? Times e to the negative t over tau. Okay? So, at t less than 0, close siya. Kapag close siya, shorted yan. Eh, kapag nakaparallel ng shorted yan, madadama yung 3 ohm, shorted din. Okay? So, i-redraw natin yung circuit. So, lumalabas dyan, for a long time, ang equivalent, ang inductor ay, take note, switch is closed. Tapos, yung inductor is shorted. Yan yung, uh, ano yan? Shorted siya kasi steady state, no? Hindi solid state, no? Steady state. Sorry. Okay, 2 ohms. Okay, 10 volts. Hinahanap, of course, yung initial current ay yung 0. Okay? So, ohms rule lang yan, no? That is 10 divided 2. Okay? That is 5 amperes. Okay? 5 amperes. Naintindihan? Next, at t greater than 0, so open na yan. Okay? Switch is open. No? Pag kukunin natin yung RTH, patayin lang natin yung sources, no? So patayin natin yung sources. Kapag voltage, short natin, no? So this is 2 ohms, this is 3 ohms. RTH is equal to 5 ohms. Okay? Series lang, no? So makuha na natin yung tau. Yung tau, L over R yan kapag series RL. That is 1 over 3 divided by R, 5. So that is 1 over 15 seconds. Okay? So syempre, pag kukunin naman natin yung B infinity, i-redraw natin yung circuit, lalagay na natin yung inductor sa kanyang inductor is in steady state, that is shorted. Okay, ganun, shorted ulit. Okay, this is open, switch is open pa rin. So, may supply. Okay, so, ayan na. So, before and after, t less than 0, t greater than 0, parehas siyang may supply, no? Parehas siyang may supply. So, step response ang tawag doon. Hindi siya binitawan ng supply, so hindi siya source free. Step response. So, basta ang supply dapat DC, no? Step response denotes a DC source. Okay? So, 2 ohms, 3 ohms. Okay? And, ba't ba B infinity? So I infinity. Sorry. I infinity. Okay? I infinity, no? So, yun. Yung I infinity mo, ohms law lang din yan, no? 10 divided by 5 ohms, no? That is 2 amperes, no? 2 amperes. Okay? Kaya naman, ang I of t is equal to infinity plus yung given na initial, 5 minus 2, e to the negative t over tau. Yung tau natin is 1 over 15, 1 over 15. Or, ayusin nga natin. I of t equals 2, 5 minus 2 plus 3, e to the negative 15t. That is in amperes. Okay? Naintindihan ba, class? Okay, next. Last two problems, no? So, the switch in the given figure below has been closed for a long time. O, close daw yan, no? So, it opens at t equals 0. Find I of t for t greater than 0. Okay? So, isa natin, no? Hinahanap pa rin dito yung I of t. Okay? So, at t less than 0, okay? At t less than 0, switch is closed. Close. Ba yan? Okay? Switch is closed. And, inductor shorted. No? Shorted. I-redraw natin ang circuit. O class, kapag dito galing, di ba? Pag ganun, no? Kasi kapag dito galing, no, shorted. Shorted to, shorted na rin to. Tama? Shorted na rin yan. Okay? So, ito, line na lang yan, no? Okay. Class, ito, hindi nyo ito isi-short, ha? Ito, 10. Ito, di ba? Kasi, sir, parallel lang to, shorted, no? Ito, shorted din. Okay? So, dito natin kukunin yung I. Tingnan nyo, class. Di ba, ang conversion nito, katulad nung source conversion pala tawag doon, no? Nakalimutan ko na. Source conversion, no? So, source conversion ulit, by source conversion, okay. Limutan ko na yung tawag dyan. Source conversion, yan. Gagawin ko ulit yon 10, para maiwasan yung pagka-short ng 10 ohms, okay. So, 6 ampere, again, by Ohm's law, I times R, so 60 volts yung supply. Okay. So, yung I of 0, yan. Ohm's law lang, no? I of 0 is equal to 60 over 10. No? So, 6 ampere. 6 ampere lang yan, no? Initial current. Okay? Ano tayo dyan? Dito na tayo at t greater than 0. Kunin natin yung RTH so that i-open na natin to, switch open. Switch open. Okay? Tapos, patayin natin yung source, kasi kukunin ko yung RTH. Okay? This is 5 ohms. This is the inductor. This is 10 ohms. Okay? 10 ohms. Ito yung 5 ohms. Ang pagpatay sa 6 ampere source is pag open nito, no? So, 5 plus 10 lang yan, no? RTH is 5 plus 10, no? 5 plus 10. Yun, 15 ohms, no? 15 ohms. Okay? And then, tau is L over R. Okay? Yung L, 1.5, yung R, 15. No? 1.5 divide 15, that is equal to 0.1 seconds. So, 15 over 10, so cancel yung 15, 1 over 10, 0.1 second. Okay? Or 1 over 10. 1 over 10. Okay? So, ilagay ko na ito sa kabila. Yung infinity naman. I infinity. I infinity. Nasundan class, di ba? Pare-pares lang naman yung ano nila eh, no? Yung paano yung susog, t less than 0. Pag I infinity, pag kukunin natin to, retain yung mga sources. Pero, yung inductor, gagawin natin sa steady state, shorted na yan. Okay? Inductor is, kasi tumagal na, infinite na eh, no? And still, open na yung switch. Okay. So, 5 ohms. Ito naman ay shorted. So, 10 ohms. Then, off 6 ampere. Alam mo, mas sanay lagi yung source conversion talaga dito. Nasanay ako sa ano. Ulit na. Ay, hindi. Ulit. So, 5 copy yung tapos to 60. So, ohms, 60 volts. 60 volts. Okay, source conversion ulit, no? Source conversion, okay. Okay. Yung I infinity, ito yun, yung current dito, no? I infinity, no? E di, ulit? Oh, 60 divided by, I infinity. 60 over 15. Okay? That is equal to 4 amperes, no? 4 amperes. Okay? I infinity, okay? 4 amperes, no? Aray, nangawit. So that, ang value ng I of t at t greater than 0 lang, hindi all time, I infinity 4 plus yung initial, ano initial? Ang initial ay 6. 6. Ano ba? 6 eh. 6 minus 4 e to the negative t over 0.1. Okay. Well, 0.1 is 1 over 10. So, ayusin natin. So, yung I of t is equal to 4 plus 2 e to the negative 10t amperes. Okay? So, pwede mo ilabas yung 2 din. Factor out yung 2, okay lang din. Pero okay na rin yan. Okay? Naintindihan, class? So, okay, good. Kaya, yun di talaga, kasabay na talaga na ito dapat yung circuits. No? Talaga may alam ka na sa circuits din. Okay? Yan. Sige. Yan. Okay, class. So, last problem, no? Dalawang switch. Okay? So, sa last problem, at t equals 0, switch 1, pansin nyo yung switch 1, in figure below is closed. Magkaiba sila ng time na mag-o-open, na mag-o-close. Parehas muna sila open at t less than 0. And switch 2 is closed 4 seconds later. Now, hinahanap yung I of t for t greater than 0. Calculate I for t equals 2 seconds and t equals 5 seconds. Okay? So, solution. Wala pang given na t less than 0. Wala pang initial. So, kunin natin at t less than 0. So, at t less than 0, so yung switch 1, open. Switch 1 and switch 2 are open. No? Okay. Lumalabas class, wala siyang load. Wala siyang supply. No? Wala, no? Okay? Although inductor is shorted, no? Inductor is shorted, no? Take note, umangit na yung sulat ko. plus yung current natin na initial current is equal to 0. Kasi walang ka-supply-supply, oh. Wala. As in, wala. Okay? Sir, okay lang ba yon? Okay lang yon. Okay? So, dito, step response, hindi naman niya ginamit yung ano niya yung energy. Okay? Kasi una, wala naman talaga siyang supply. Pangalawa, mag-switch 1 na to at equal 0, may ano na siya, may supply siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya energy yun. Okay? Yung ginamit. So, let's say, at ayokong gawing t greater than 0 kasi when we say t greater than 0, it considered 0 and 4. No? We will consider both time, also both time 0 and both time 4. So, between, that is between 0 and 4. At time, between 0 and 4. No? So, ang mangyayari ay switch 1 closed, switch 2 open. Okay? Switch 2 close, switch 1 open, switch 2 open pa rin kasi wala pang 4 seconds, no? So, here. Okay. I-draw ko yung circuit. Magiging ganito yan. Ayun, naalala ko. No? Bibigay ko pala yung pinagkukuhanan ko ng ano. Sino nga pala yung ano na to? Yung book, makuha to sa ano sa Google, no? Fundamentals of Circuit, Electric Circuit, Fundamentals of, I think, Electric Circuit, no? Electric Circuit by Alexander Sadiku. Ayan. Tapos, mga 5th edition na tayo. Okay? 5th edition. Okay? Marami yan sa Google. No? Free lang yan. No? Binibigay naman nila yan. Okay? So, yung mga problem dyan galing halos lahat. Okay? So, 40 volts. Tapos, switch close, no? Okay? Open pa yung gitna. Okay? Op, kunin natin yung RTH. RTH is equal to, disam lang ng 4 at saka ng 6. Diba? E di 10 ohms. Okay. So, makuha na natin yung tau. Ano yung tau? Tau is equal to L over R. L is, teka lang. Pag tau, kukunin ko na, lalagyan ko na ng ano. sorry. Yung RTH, papatayin natin yung source. So, source. Anyway, hindi ko na ginawa, no? 10 ohms, tapos ito. 5 Henry. L over R. So, that is 1/2 seconds. 1/2 seconds. Okay? Yung I infinity, yun. Pag ginawa natin pag kinuha natin I infinity, ano ba yan? 8 yan eh. Sorry, nako, mag-overtime na tayo. Pero last na problem na to, no? So, last na problem. Okay. I infinity is, yun. Yung ano to, inductor shorted, no? Inductor shorted. Kapag I infinity, inductor shorted yan Ohm's law lang pala yan, no? I infinity is equal to 40 divided by 10, no? So that is 4 amperes. Okay? I infinity is 4 amperes. So therefore, yung value ng I of t natin is equal to yung initial, 0. Ay, hindi. Infinity, 4. Plus 4, 0 minus 4, no? 0 minus 4. Negative 4. E to the negative negative 2 t. Okay? So, ayusin natin. Sa kabila, meron pa to. Yun, meron pa. No? Again, ang value ng I is equal to 4 minus 4 e to the negative 2t amperes. Okay? Pwede ilabas yung 4. No, okay lang din. Okay? Kaso hindi pa tapos kasi switch ko naman to. Okay? So, at t greater than 4 na yan. Okay? So, at t greater than 4, ganun pa rin yung switch 1, close. No? Ang switch 2, close na rin. No? Close. Okay? Yung formula dito, class, ganito pa rin naman. No? At t greater than 4, I infinity, pero hindi mo kokopyahin yung infinity nito. No? Okay? Hindi mo kokopyahin. Magkaiba sila, no? Infinity. So, kasi yung I infinity yung kanina, that is just between 0 to 4. Ibig sabihin, nag-steady state na siya, tapos continuous pa yon. So, consider yon I infinity. Ito, I infinity plus, no? Ganito nag-start siya at time equals 4 seconds. Hindi 0. 4 seconds. So, I of 4 minus I of infinity, naintindihan ba? E to the negative, ito pa isa, no? E to the negative t, okay, ganito. Delayed na to ng 4 seconds. Hindi na siya nag-start sa, di ba, at 4 seconds na to, t greater than 4. Pag t greater than 4, delayed na yan. Hindi yan, So, quantity t minus 4 over tau. Okay? Kasi kanina, di ba, pinakita ko sa inyo, ito na yung t naught. Delayed na yan, no? Kumbaga sa ito yung 4. Okay? So, at t less than 4, t1 is equal to 4. So, dito pa lang siya nag-start, so delayed. So, t minus 4, t minus t naught yun. No? So, yun. So, ganito yung kakalabasan niya, no? Nung circuit. Ay, ng equation. Okay? So, yung I of 4, isa-substitute ko yan dito. Dito. Kasi dito yung start niya, no? Okay? So, I of 4 is equals to 4 minus 4 e to the negative 2 times 4. Okay? So, solve natin. Halos ganun din. 3.998 ay 4 amperes pa rin, no? 4 amperes pa rin yan, no? 4 amperes, okay. So, meron na tayong I of 4, I infinity, RTH, no? Ganun ulit, no? Siyempre, kapag niredraw ko to, magiging ganito na yung circuit niya. Okay. Okay, ito yung supply. May supply siya dito. Tapos ito yung inductor, resistor. Yeah, dami. This is 4 ohms, 6 ohms. This is 5 Henry. This is 2 ohms. This is 10 volts. This is 40 volts. Okay? Aray ka. So, pag kukunin natin yung RTH, patayin na lang natin yung sources. So, patayin natin, meaning, short kapag voltage source. I-short pag voltage source. So, plus, ito, magiging parallel, no? Parallel yung 4 sa 2, no? Okay? Parallel yung 4 sa 2. Tapos, yung sagot nito, i-add sa 6. Naintindihan? Parallel yung 4 sa 2, tapos i-add sa 6. 4. So, 22 over 3. No? 22 over 3 ohms. Okay? And then yung tau is equal to L over R. Okay? So, L, 5 divided by 22 over 3. So, that is 5 divide answer. 15 over 22 seconds. Okay? Okay. So, okay. Adi, I infinity pa. No? I infinity. Pag kinonsider natin yung I infinity class, I infinity, take note yung inductor ay shorted, no? Shorted. Okay? So, gagawin mo, short mo lang to, no? I-short mo ito. Okay? So, pag na-short yan, ayun. Okay? Mag-ano tayo ng, dito na yung I, oh, I infinity. So, mesh analysis. Di ba? Mesh analysis. Tapos, IA, IB. Diyos ko po, tapusin na natin to. Sorry na. Sa IAIB, equal yung B, IB sa I infinity, no? Okay? Two equations to unknowns ulit. Unahin ko yung IA. So, okay. So, that is negative 6 IA. Then, plus 2 IB. Then, may constant siya, 40 minus 10. 40 minus 10, 30. Na nililipat sa kabila, negative 30. That is equation 1. Equation 2 naman, ang equation 2, nahin natin dito. So, nakikita niya to so plus minus. So, positive 2 IA, then minus 6, minus 8 IB. So, plus 10. So, that is equal to negative 10, equation 2. Okay? Ano yung I sub B? Kailangan natin na I sub B equal to what? Yan yung infinity ng current. Okay? Equation 5, wait lang. Alright, two equations, two unknowns sa mode 5, 1. Negative 6, 2, then negative 30. Then 2, negative 8, then negative 10. 65 over 11. Yung IA, yung IB, 2.73. So, yung 2.73 amperes, yung I infinity. So, I of t is equal to 2.73, no? Plus yung 4 minus 2.73. Yeah. E to the ano yung tau? 15 over 22. So pag binaligtad ko yun, 22 divide 15. 1.47. Negative 1.47. T minus 4. No, T minus 4. Okay? So that I of t is equal to 2.73 plus 1.27 e to the negative 1.47. 47 times t minus 4. Okay? Amperes. Okay, so ganito, no? Yung kabuuan, yung value ng I of t at t greater than 0 is equal to, so hindi na kailangan yung 0, no? Kung gusto mo lagay, okay lang din. Okay? Yung kanina, 4 minus 4 e to the negative 2t. That is from 0 to 4. Okay? Then yung isa naman, ito, 2.73 plus 1.27 e to the negative 1.47 to the t times t minus 4, no? That is both in amperes. Okay? That is t greater than 4. Okay? Yeah. So, ito yung sagot. Yay! Ano daw yung I, t equals 2 seconds? O, tingnan nyo class, na. At t equals 2 seconds, at t equals 2, ganito gagamitin nyo. Kasi dito pasok yung 2 seconds, no? So, I of 2 is equal to 4 minus 4 e to the negative 4. 3.93. Okay? 3.93 ampere. Okay, ito yun. At t equals, ano yun? 5 seconds, that is I of 5, that is, ito gagamitin nyo. Ito, kasi dito pasok yung 5 seconds. That is 2.73 plus 1.27 e to the negative 1.47 times t, 5 minus 4. Edi 3.02 amperes, no? Okay? 3.02. Ayan. Yan yung sagot. Okay? So, yun, class. So, sana nakuha nyo, class. Mahaba siya, pero makukuha nyo naman kasi may pattern naman, no, class? Okay?